Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. We're going to talk about eating well. I got this idea of cooking an omelet or using eggs and the ingredients from the garden from Peaches. She made a beautiful video called Swiss Chard Breakfast Scramble. Yes, Peaches. She was making her breakfast and getting things together there, and I said, let me try this out. And so what I did was I got these ingredients together and decided that I was going to create my own omelet, my own version of what she did. So it's a shout out to Peaches. Thanks, Peaches, for the idea. Truly appreciate it. I have been reading Dr. Carolyn Leaf's book about thinking and eating smart. Think and Eat Yourself Smart by Dr. Carolyn Leaf.
That you are going to change in your life, it's going to take time. Talk about food. I'm not going to tell you a diet plan. I'm not going to tell you to eat walnuts for your brain. I'm not going to do any kind of rule book with what you should and shouldn't eat. Eat real food mindfully. That's the only rule you need to follow. In this book, I proceed to teach you what eating real food mindfully means.
Looking at all of this bounty, beautiful harvest, I am counting my blessings and I'm saying thank you, Lord, for all of this beautiful harvest that you have provided. All of these beautiful tomatoes that are ripening and looking as beautiful, I keep using that word, looking as red and luscious as possible. Just very, very beautiful. Wanting to eat more healthfully and more mindfully, I decided that I needed to come up with a good recipe. Today I went out and I harvested some tomatoes, pepper, zucchini, and a little summer squash. It was in the garden, and I decided that I needed to eat fresh today. Real food, fresh food. So I diced up the peppers and the little yellow squash. See how small it is? Yes, it was a real tiny one. It's about, I would say, 3 inches. And then, of course, these little baby beautiful tomatoes, fresh from the tomato plant. And I said, let me make something to eat. And yesterday, or I think the day before, yesterday, I had cut up my butternut squash. I have been harvesting so many butternut squash. Yesterday I had cut up the butternut squash and I had some leftovers, and I also had cut up and cooked some eggplant. I said, let me put it all together and create this beautiful breakfast, lunch. And I said to I decided that I was going to create an omelet with it. So this is my omelet. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, this is my omelet, and I'm going to eat this from my garden. Yes, and I put it together, and I'm very thankful that I'm able to create this omelet and to eat it. I really am not a great cook, but these vegetables are making me want to experiment with food. If you like this video, then comment down below. What are some of your favorite recipes? What do you like to do with your vegetables? And how do you enjoy eating them? Don't forget to subscribe to Catherine's Garden and hit the notification bell for more. Thanks.